Hi everyone, my camera might run out of space. So if we get cut off, that's the reason why, and I'll have to empty some of it out. Okay, so I was gonna do my Powerpuff and Hocus Pocus palettes, but I did my hair. I mixed the purple and the magenta, and my hair was beautiful. This was all a vibrant purple. But I did it a week ago, and like I said, I wash my hair twice a week, and in 2 washes, most of the purple is gone. So I'm sorry, my camera's been giving me trouble to adjust, but all of this was a vibrant, beautiful purple, and it's already fading out. Most of the purple is gone from the scalp. Anyway, I'm not gonna do that because I had the idea of doing my brows while I still have the purple in some purple in it. So yeah, my camera's giving me a little bit of trouble adjusting, so positioning it. So I'm having trouble getting into the frame, but it'll be good for the eyes. So what I decided to do was go ahead and do one more look with the neutral colors in here. And yeah, so I'm gonna put this pretty neutral, here we go, this pretty neutral color right here. I don't know what's going on, but my nails have been breaking really easily again. Could be the cuticle stuff I'm using, I don't know. But, I put my hand through my hair, boom, my nail comes off. So anyway, I'm gonna do that little star color because it looks pretty. Yeah, I just used my, I think it's the RVP. Did I do this right? There we go. I'm gonna just dab the brown, mostly use this and dab it in this brown. And I'm gonna go into this for the highlight. Yeah, the lid color has like a pinkish tone to it, so thought that was nice. Alright, then I'm going to take a little bit of that gold that I've been using for the inner corner. Just go on top. I'm going to go into my 88 shimmer, and I'm going to go into this pretty purple right here. I guess I'll do this blue right here. It's kind of like a sapphire blue. I think I'll do this green right here. And I'll put that right there. Anyway, let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. So hey everyone, I thought I was recording and I wasn't. So just wanted to let you know, I just used my Milani Natural and Venice Gloss Natural Lip Liner, natural lipstick, and then the Venice Gloss over it, very shimmery. I tried to stay away from shimmer. I wanted to put the shimmer on my eyes from the palette, but I wanted the focus to be my eyebrows, and what happens? I sprayed this too close to my face, And this has shimmer in it, so now my whole face is shimmering. And for older people, that's not good. So also, as far as my hair, I used up my purple and my magenta. I mixed them together. I don't know how that finished, but I still have some green and some yellow. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. I'm not bleaching my hair till January, and I would like to keep it like a silvery platinum until my birthday. But so I'm not really sure what to do with the leftover green and blue. After I bleach my hair, I could probably do yellow, green, and blue. Or I could just mix them together and make a teal for my birthday. I don't know. But that's that with that. And as far as Wet n Wild, I have seen no gift sets in any of the Walgreens. I hit a few, not all, because I'm getting older and it's tiring. So nothing. And they advertised that Physicians Formula had their gift sets out, but I think I saw that at CVS. So it looks like CVS is the place to go if you want any Mark Wynn type of gift set. I saw the Wet n Wild and the Physicians Formula. Walgreens, they just have like Profusion and stuff like that. Not really sure what's going on with that. So yeah, so also wanted to let you know that next week is Christmas. I invited my family over, so I'm going to be really busy next week getting the house, decent for everybody. Getting shopping's going to be crazy, but I'm going to have to buy I usually buy the food about 2-3 days before, so the meat has a chance to marinate. It's going to be a madhouse. I just wanted to do a small grocery, and I couldn't even find parking at HEB. I could imagine what Walmart is like. But yeah, that's been a madhouse, so I'm going to be busy next week. And then the following week, my husband took vacation. I mean, after Christmas, we're broke. But, as long as we drive away from the property, my husband's happy. It looks like that's all we're really going to do is just, I don't know, maybe go to the movies. I don't think we're going to do any museums or anything like that. I told him I'm exhausted already. I'm going to be exhausted from Christmas, the week of Christmas or the week before Christmas. So I won't see you again until January 3rd. So anyway, I just want to wish you guys all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. Mwah.